To those of you who have followed along on this channel, I covered in my recent Money Diary series that I've incurred some costs because of my spinal injury. I've been in and out of the clinic, so I just wanted to provide a little bit of an update. For those of you who are wanting to get yourself insured, be it whether is it for hospital plans, for accident plans coverage, etc. I hope today with what I'm sharing will actually shed light on this area. So at the age of 24, when I first started working and I got my first paycheck, I knew I had to settle the part on insurance because I know that Singapore's medical bill, whenever you get hospitalized or when you just want to go into a clinic to get yourself checked out, it's going to be expensive. This has actually 100% double confirmed the fact that Singapore's medical cost is actually expensive, despite the fact that you have MediSave that you can actually claim for. But if you're in pain and you have certain things that you want to get clarified ASAP, private route is the fastest, and that is where it's going to cost more as well. For those of you wondering what had happened, I had a spine injury and I also had a tear between my L4 and L5 disc. That is what happened, and I needed 6 weeks to heal based on what the specialist doctor had told me. Whenever I was doing normal things, I will be feeling a sharp pain on my lower spine, and that is where it was unbearable. I knew I had to go and see a doctor because it didn't go away within a week, and that is where I found out that I had slipped disc. In addition to that, there was a tear on my lower spine. So in this entire journey, I incurred a total of $1,576.65. All of this I managed to claim with the accident plan that I have. So this injury was a result of an accident that happened, and that is why I was able to claim. So I just needed to provide a few documents. If you guys are finding insurance agents that are helpful and have your interest at heart, drop me a DM. I'll recommend you my insurance agent because he was really nice about it and he helped me along the way with my entire claiming journey as well. So I wasn't sure whether was I able to claim, so I asked him on the spot and he was able to tell me that I can actually go to the private route to get myself checked out ASAP. It was only at a cap to $2,000, so I was hoping that it wouldn't cost above $2,000, and in fact my entire journey cost $1,500. But this excludes physiotherapy after, which I still have to go for, and that is where it is based on my own cost because hospital plan will only cover you when you get admitted into a hospital. So if you are not admitted into a hospital, you won't be able to use your hospital plan to claim for the accident that has happened. This return on investment was actually at 700%. Every year for the accident plan that I currently hold, I'm only paying $175, and if you divide it over a period of 12 months, every month is only $10. This was something that I felt I could get myself covered just in case anything happens. So if I go to a TCM because of an injury, I sprained my ankle or something like that, and I go to TCM, I can claim for this kind of accidents as well. It is a coverage that I thought just good to have, so it doesn't cost much. So every single month is just $10. Per year is $175, so I just pay for it. I'm thankful I had it because if not, I would have incurred out of my own pocket $1,500 based on this recent injury. It wouldn't be a video of mine if I didn't cover what card did I use. I used the HSBC Advance for this entire medical journey, so I do get 1.5% cashback and there's no minimum spend. You can use this card to pay for things that your other credit cards doesn't cover for, and hospital bill, GP clinics consultation is one of them. 1.5% on any amount up to $2,000, and anything above $2,000 is 2.5% cashback. Per month, the cap for this cashback card is $70, and in total you do need to spend $2,800 to max out the cashback cap on this card. If your hospital bill is more than $2,800, use the UOB Absolute Amex, a unlimited cashback credit card that allows you to pay for hospital bills if the hospital allows Amex payment. So this is where you can get 1.7% cashback with the UOB Absolute Amex. HSBC Advance is probably for a smaller hospital bill payment. If you're going to GP clinics, polyclinics, you can use this card. Sign up links will be down in the description box below, and if you pair this with the HSBC Everyday Global Savings account, that's an additional 1% as well. I did cover in a video talking about the best no minimum spending cashback credit card combination. I'll link up above and down below. That was where I covered using Standard Chartered Smart for public transportation, HSBC Revolution for dining, and then HSBC Advance for anything else that doesn't cover under the HSBC Revolution. That video is jam-packed with information. I'll link up above and down below. In this entire journey of my claim process, it did take a while. Once my claim had gone through, they reimbursed me. Everything is on a reimbursement basis. For those of you who are wary about getting insurance coverage, I hope my entire journey will actually shed light on this area to actually get yourself coverage for your own life, for your hospital bills. As we grow older, you never really know what will happen, and insurance is something that helps us to pay for our bills and also not have to worry about the fact that maybe I do not have enough money to go and seek help, seek treatment. I do believe that a part of our personal finance journey, a portion of it has to go to insurance. For those of you out there who haven't got yourself covered, try try and go and get yourself a little bit more understanding about insurance products available out there, get yourself sufficiently covered, just enough, not anything more. I'll put some related articles that you can read about how much should you cover for at certain ages, etc. down in the description box below. Another thing that actually made me realize was I needed to get good quality products when I'm working. Having slip disc is a lifetime thing. I can't go back to back then where I don't feel anything on my lower spine anymore, but every single day, even though my lower spine has healed, I still do feel a certain pressure and I can't lift heavy things, I can't do excessive exercises, etc. It's a permanent thing that I have to live with now. And good quality products, before my room renovated to what it is right now, I actually work with a very small desk and just a normal office chair which I sit on for long hours, and right now I have actually upgraded to the ErgoTune chair and also the EverDesk setup. They've actually sponsored me this entire setup, but they do not pay me to feature them in videos, etc. I just feel it's a really great investment to have. Even though it costs a lot at the start, it is something like an investment. It's an investment for your health down the road. Like in this example, it's an investment for those of you out there if you spend a lot of time at your desk working. ErgoTune chair has been great because of the lumbar support during my healing journey. It supported my back to be able to sit here and still continue doing my 9 to 6 job in the day, and at night I still can sit here and work on YouTube. And if I do feel pain and I need to stand, I need to adjust certain positions, I can use the EverDesk to actually make it into a standing position because it's a standing desk to any height that I want to and still continue working, and it will not affect my productivity along the way. So this is something that I truly appreciate, and if you do want to buy their products, I'll put the relevant link down in the description box below. I do not earn any affiliate links for that. It's just something that I feel is a good investment at the start. It can be also an investment for your bed. We are spending a lot of time sleeping at night and you want a good bed that can actually help support your spine, so it's good to have an investment into a good quality bed that will last for probably the next 10 years. And the same goes for this EverDesk. It has a very long warranty period, so you can ensure that if anything happens, you can just send it in for repair and it's covered under the warranty period. More details down in the description box below. This was a video that I just wanted to cover for those of you who do not get yourself insurance coverage. Please do get yourself covered because there's an importance in that. You do not want to be limited by the fact that maybe you do not have enough money to go and seek treatment, etc. Do get yourself covered. If you have any further questions or you want me to share more about insurance, what I got myself covered and why, let me know in the comment section down below. For those of you who are looking for credit cards for bigger expenses, let's say hospital bills, or you're buying things for home, I did cover in one video right over here where it talks about the major expenses, what credit card should you be using, and I'll see you in this video over here. Have a great week ahead and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!